Hi children, in previous class we are discussing about the Swaminathan classroom situation. Now we'll read out another passage now. All of you observe this picture. This is the classroom situation of Swaminathan. The headmaster entered the class and giving punishment to the student. His face is very flushed. He is giving punishment with a hard cane. Swaminathan is peeping with fear. Here, Swaminathan's friend Rajan sat on the third bench in front of the classroom. Now we will discuss about the glossary now in this passage. Acute. Acute means intense, తీవ్రమైన ర్యాప్. ఏ షార్ప్ హిట్, బాగా తీక్షణంగా దెబ్బ పడితే దాన్ని ర్యాప్ అంట. ఇంపల్స్, ఏ సడన్ స్ట్రాంగ్ విష్ టు డూ సంథింగ్, ఏదో ఒకటి చేసేయాలని తీవ్రమైన కోరిక మనసులో కలిగి ఉండడం. గోల్ మీన్స్ జైల్ ఆర్ ప్రిజన్. డెఫ్, lacking the power of hearing, చెవిటివాడు. Resolutely, determined, firmly, resolved, unwavering manner, స్థిర చేసే విషయంతో అలాగే ఉండిపోవడం కాన్స్టెంట్గా. Now we will come to the passage. I will read out the passage. But at the back of his head and the pink ears were visible to Swaminathan. It was an intolerable sight. Swaminathan was in acute suspense lest that head should turn to fix his eyes on his. He felt that he would drop the desk to the floor if that happened. The pink ears, 3 benches of made him incapable of speech. If only somebody would put a blackboard between his eyes and those pink ears. Swami had very fear in his mind. Now Swami's turn came. The headmaster will ask him after that boy. Now Swami has to answer. He has fear. What he had to tell. Now he is thinking, if he would fell on the floor, it will be better. He is thinking like that. If there will be blackboard between the headmaster or Rajan's eyes and before him. Now he was deaf to the question that the headmaster was putting to him. The headmaster asked Swaminathan, why was he absent yesterday? When the headmaster asked this question, Swami became deaf. Deaf means lacking the power of hearing. He was looking constantly at the headmaster. He is not answering anything. A rap on his body from the headmaster's cane brought him to himself. Immediately the headmaster hit him with a cane. Why did you keep away yesterday? Asked the headmaster looking up. Swaminathan's first impulse was to protest that he had never been absent. First Swaminathan think that to say that he had never been absent to the class. But the attendance register was there. No, I was done. But if he tell lie, the attendance register is there. So he cancelled that thought. But they took away my cap and burnt it. Many strong men held me down when I tried to come. When a great man is sent to a god, I am surprised to see a slave of the Englishman. Didn't take it off the comes slaves of slaves. These were some of the disjointed expressions which streamed in his head. So many undercurrent thoughts came in his mind. So many disjointed expressions which were streamed in his head. And which even at that moment he was discreet enough to not express. He wanted to mention headache. Swaminathan wanted to mention headache. But to found his distress that others beside him had one. The headmaster's sound, why didn't you opening your mouth? That brought the cane sharply down on Swaminathan's right shoulder. The headmaster got angry because Swaminathan is not telling any answer to his question. He sharply brought his cane and hit the boy with the cane on his right shoulder. Though Swaminathan kept staring at the headmaster with tearful eyes. Swaminathan was not answering. His eyes are tearful. Messaging with his left hand the spot where the cane was laid. I will kill you if you keep on staring without any answering my question, cried the headmaster. The anger was increasing. The headmaster cried, I will kill you if you won't give me answer to my question.